Prism is a refracting medium bounded by 5 plane surfaces inclined at some angle. See, prism is like this. Open this book like this. So this is prism. Surface 1 triangle, surface 2 triangle, 3 rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. Okay. So there are how many surfaces? 5 surfaces. Okay. Out of which 2 are triangles and 3 rectangles. Okay. So what is prism? Prism is a refracting medium bounded by 5 plane surfaces inclined at some angle. Okay. And the part of prism that we show on book paper, okay, the triangular part, that is called as principal section of prism. So we don't show full 3D picture of prism. Only triangular part we show, that is called as principal section. Principal section of prism. This angle where these sides meet is called as angle of prism. Angle of prism. This is called as base of prism. Base of prism. Now any side can be base of prism. Depends. Section. Okay. So that like base of prism depends on like how we keep. So now in this case this is base of prism. Now these two sides, this side and this side, these are called as refracting edges. Edge. Refracting edge. This is one refracting edge, other refracting edge. Okay. Angle between two refracting edge is called as angle of prism. This part is called as what? Principal section. Okay. So this is what prism. Again, what is prism? Prism is a refracting medium bounded by 5 plane surfaces inclined at some angle. Okay, and the angle is called as angle of prism. Okay. This is prism. When we pass ray of light through prism, so this is incident ray. Okay. When it will enter prism, it is going from rarer to denser medium. So it will bend towards the normal. Ray will bend towards the normal. Okay. This is angle of incidence and this is angle of refraction. Okay. Now it will strike this surface. And now it is going away from the normal. Why? Why it is going away from the normal? Yes, it is going from denser to rarer. Okay, so it will bend away from the normal. This is incident ray, this is refracted ray, and this one is emergent ray. Okay. Now, if you stretch incident ray, and produce back emergent ray, they will meet and make one angle. That angle is called as angle of deviation. This angle is called as what? Angle of deviation. So what is angle of deviation? Angle of deviation is the angle formed between path of incident ray and the emergent ray produced backward. Okay, so that angle is called as what? Delta. Delta is what? Angle of
deviation.
Angle of deviation. Okay, so definition of angle of deviation. Angle of deviation is the angle formed between path of incident ray and the emergent ray produced backward. Okay, so what is angle of deviation? What is angle of deviation? It is the angle formed between path of incident ray and the emergent ray produced backward. So in case of glass slab, what is there? Lateral displacement. And in case of prism, there is
Angle
of deviation. Means in glass slab, ray of light is not deviating from its path. It is going in same direction, but only there is what? Lateral shift. The lateral shift is called as lateral displacement. And here ray of light is actually deviating from its path.
So that is angle of deviation.
That is called as angle of deviation. Okay, Samjha?